One of the great benefactors of this neighborhood is an amazing woman by the name of Judith Nielsen. Judith has been an outstanding philanthropist and is uniquely invested in this neighborhood. One of her key contributions here is the Phoenix, which is one of Sydney's most unique performing arts venues. It's this beautiful timber-clad circular art music space with architecture by Durbach. And so what's also unique about it is how you go about getting a ticket. It's outstanding art performances that you can't buy a ticket for. You need to go into a lottery. So it's art that's genuinely democratic. And that's something that I really appreciate, because in this moment where costs of everything are escalating, accessing the finest of art becomes out of reach for the working person. What Judith is investing in is enabling art for anyone who is willing to go into the auction, into the ballot. And so that's such a nice thing unique thing that we have here. And then the venue offers only music and performance. There's no drinks, there's no food. And so it's been a really beautiful catalyst for both that day and especially that night activity. Because as you can see, you can feel here we are at 4 o'clock in the afternoon and the activity of the neighborhood is starting to change. And so having that mix of activity day into night is really important to ensure this is a vibrant district, morning, afternoon, evening, and late into the night. We're going to keep moving up here because we've got a great story to tell about White Rabbit Gallery.